you have something to say, it keeps you on track, right? My name is Victor. I just want you to tell everyone your name, what God has done in your life, and I'm sure what you're about to read is gonna hit us hard. So.
Hello everyone, my name is Angel, and I'll be reading my testimony to you. When I was in the orphanage, I knew Jesus. I know his name, but I don't really fully know him. All I know is that he came to earth to die for our sins, and that's it. He just didn't die on the cross. He took the punishment that was meant for us. We deserve to die, but he gave us the chance to change and to live our life free from sin. He gave us free will to choose between life and death. He said, choose life. In Deuteronomy 30:19. When we got adopted, my view about Jesus changes for a little bit. I started to hear more about him, but I didn't live the life that I'm supposed to live. When I was looking for a college to go to, my mom suggested that we could check out Charis Bible College. We did go check, and I felt God's presence there, and I told my mom that I'm surely going to go there and attend college there, and I did. When I started going there, my faith and my relationship with God grew, and God is slowly opening my eyes to the things I couldn't see before. He gave me more understanding and wisdom. I can feel that God didn't just call me there just for college. He's calling me for more. Before, I really don't understand what it meant to be baptized in water. Now I know what it means, and I'm ready to receive and to live my life the way he wants me to live. God is calling us for something more than what we're expecting. Be ready and be willing to receive it.